Good evening, and thanks for checking in. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about assets and liabilities. So assets are something that put money in your pocket, and liabilities take money out. So, for example, assets could consist of things like savings, value of things you own, because, for example, you could possibly sell them and make money, so that would be something that you could turn into money in your pocket, okay? Liabilities are things that take money out. For example, a house payment, which obviously you don't have, but very possibly someone you live with is paying a house payment or a car payment. It seems like maybe something, your car would be something that's worth something, but unless it's owned, meaning there are no payments left on it, then it's in fact a liability. And with assets and liabilities comes net worth. Net worth is what someone is actually worth. And it's not something we really talk a lot about, but in fact, most likely your parents may have a need to look at their net worth, and they would take their assets minus their liabilities. And that's how you would calculate net worth. So if someone has in the assets column of their life, they have, say, $3,200 in the bank, and they have some things around their house that they own that say total $1,200. These are items they own. Items owned. Together, those assets would be $4,400. And if they looked at their liabilities, the assets totaling $4,400, they are paying on a house, and they still owe, let's say they've been paying on their house, but they still owe $95,000. And they have a credit card with a balance of $500 on it. And they have a car loan they still need to pay on that they owe $5,500 on. Well, all of those things added together are their liabilities. So when we add that together, we get $110,000 they have in liabilities. So if we go back, and the liabilities totaling $110,000, be taking finding the net worth by taking the 4,400, and subtracting $110,000. You can already see this is a negative net worth, and we're going to find the value of their net worth by subtracting $110,000 from 4,400, which in that case we would get negative $95,000 negative 95,600. So their net worth would be negative 95,600, which of course you want your net worth to be positive. But there's a lot more that goes along with it, but now you see that liabilities subtracted from assets equal your net worth. We'll talk about that more in class tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.